Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Learning with Sadeve. And I know I haven't uploaded a new video for a long time and I'm really sorry about it. Anyways, let's just get ahead with our today's video. And I also do have an update for you guys. We finally also have a website, a Learning with Sadeve website. Yes, so in this website you can access different lessons, and of course I will be keeping you guys updated about this website. um, I'll be like uploading like a preview video for you guys, so you guys can like get around this website. And just to get you guys know about this website, I still don't have any lessons in this website, so you can like go around and learn it yourself how to like access everything. But I still do not have any lessons, and of course I will be uploading different lessons, as you can see in the get started section, like astronomy, English, biology, anything. Yes, so yeah, and also stay tuned for the future videos about this website, the preview of this website. And if you want to access this website, you can just type this weird domain name in the type in searching bar. This weird domain name, southernmathematica.wixsite.com/website. Yeah, I know it's weird. Yeah, we will change it in the future anyways. Just use this to access it, or else you can just straight away go to my YouTube channel here, Learning with Sadeve. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and put it to all. And here is the Learning with Sadeve website. Just click this button and then you will be forwarded into this website. Yeah, so now speaking about websites, today we are gonna learn HTML, which is a website builder, a website designer. You can build websites with this programming language. Yeah, so let's now straight away get into HTML coding. So now, what exactly is HTML coding? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, there are lots of different things to learn in this HTML, like different tag names, how the tag structure is, and also I will be like creating a new I will be creating a website with you guys at the end. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end, and it's gonna be super interesting and fun. So HTML, as I said, it's a programming language used to design websites. And here is an example HTML document for you guys to like get an idea of what exactly this is. Here you can see these different tag names they have used in HTML coding. Probably when you guys see this, okay, you don't understand, right? Yes, okay, it doesn't matter. So as you're following this video now, you can gain a good idea about HTML coding. So before we start with the example HTML document, let's just go ahead with HTML, the HTML tag structure, which is this tag name, and then you put the content here, and this is the other tag, which is the closing tag. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the opening tag in here. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. And then the content is written inside in here. Like for example, in here, the H1 tag, which is heading 1, and then the paragraph tag. And yes, and then there are, as you can see in here, there are more tags like the head tag, then the HTML tag, the doc type tag. Yeah, we will be going through all this, and you can also see a difference between the opening tag and the closing tag. The opening tag is like the tag name is inside 2 angle brackets, and then in the closing tag, it is also inside 2 angle brackets, but in the closing tag they also have a slash. And every single closing tag has this. Like for example, in here, H1, and then in here, slash H1, and then in here, slash P, like that. So yeah, so this is how it is happening. This is the tag structure. And then you type your content, like in here, H1, then this is a heading. So this in your website, the heading will be displayed like this, and then this in your website, in the p tag, it will be displayed as a paragraph. And also there is also something called empty tag. Empty tags, they actually they don't need content in it. Like you don't add content to it. You don't have a closing tag as well. It's just like an opening, just a single tag, like BR, which means break line, and I will be talking about this in the future. In this video. So you have to stay tuned. Actually, you have to like continue watching this video, and then you will get a clear understanding. And then HR tag, which is like a horizontal line in the website, and then the img tag, which is like you can add images to your website through the img tag, the image tag. Yeah, and this is totally wrong, right? The BR tag, the break line tag, you can't have a closing tag to it with a slash. You don't have like a space to add content. It just breaks the line, and I will explain this in this video. And yes, you can like check out this example HTML document, and of course you can load this into a website. Also, to get started, I recommend some tools for you guys to get started with HTML documents, which is Visual Studio Code, because I personally recommend this this application, this software for HTML coding. Well, you can do any type of coding in it, but yes, I'm just talking about, now we are talking about HTML coding today. So it's better to take Visual Studio Code as a good software for any type of coding. I personally recommend it. And of course, if you don't want to get any softwares, you can straight away do HTML coding in your computer itself. I will be showing you how you can do this. Let me just delete this text. So now this is like an example HTML coding. HTML coding. Let me just save this. And whenever you're saving, whenever you want to open it as an HTML file, it is very important that to open it in a web browser, you have to save it as an HTML file. Let me just put it as HTML, I guess. Yes. Always you have to save it as a .html. You put the name. Okay, just put another name instead of HTML. First website. Okay. First website .html. Name it as .html or htm also doesn't matter actually. So yes, you can name it like that, and then you have to save it. When you save it, you can go to your web browser. You can go to your like file explorer and then open it. Let me just go to there, put my documents. Okay, then let me search for HTML. I saved it in here. HTML, where is it? Come on, where is it? Oh, here, first website.html. Now it opens in Explorer, as I can see, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so now it opens. Oh yes, so as the expected results. Hello world, as the see, this is our simple website that I just showed as an example. So now let's go to the fun stuff for the coding. Just close that. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Okay, so now if you have not downloaded Visual Studio Code, you can download it from the Google. Just type Visual Studio Code. You can just type Visual Studio Code, and then when it loads, you can go to this website, Visual Studio Code editor redefined, that website, and then you can download it from here. You can download it for Windows or even Mac OS and Linux. So you can download whatever you need in here, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so now first of all, before we begin, let's just create a folder in here. We create a new folder and name it as HTML. Just name it as HTML. Now go to Visual Studio Code. Let's just wait it to load a bit. Okay, it just seems okay. Yeah. Give it some time. Let's just wait. And I'm really sorry about the background noises that are going on. I'm really sorry about them. I hope you won't mind these background noises. You know, sometimes can't stop this stuff. We can't stop this stuff. And yes, it loaded. Okay, now when you open this, you'll see to open a folder in here. If you haven't opened a folder yet, if you have not opened a folder yet, then this part is available for you to open a folder. Yes, so that's what you are gonna do. So you can now click open folder, and of course if you have already opened that folder, then it will not be there for you to select. It won't be there. Here it's in my desktop. I saved it in my desktop. Let's open HTML folder. Okay, as I said, if you already have opened a folder, you don't need to do that again. You can just straight away either make a file in it and do and continue the work, or else well, it's your choice. Anyways, okay, so this is our HTML folder, and now to get started with our document, we need to have a file, right? A text file. So that's why we are gonna click this new file. When we click new file, we can now name whatever we want. Let's just say, like last time, first website dot html. Yes, as I say, you can either name it as htm or html. I like it like that. So, yes, now after saving that, it must open in our yes, it opened in our editor. Okay, and I almost forgot to mention you guys about a extension that you might need to download to make things easier for you guys. Search in the extensions section. Search live server, and there is an extension named live server. I will tell you what this extension is gonna do. Just install it. It will just show install in here, but I have already installed it, so it doesn't matter for me. So just go ahead and install it, okay? And you will see in this video what it is for. Okay. Now, as you also can remember our example, the example web page document we created. It started with a few tags in here. Now this is an important tag. Let me type it in here. It's called now you can press enter as it already came. Doc type HTML. So this is actually at the very beginning of a web HTML document. The doc type HTML tag. So the doc type tag, what it does is, as of course it's mentioning that the doc type is an HTML, it tells that the web browser that this document is an HTML document, so that then the then the website can open the document and display the results properly. So with this tag, yes, then everything can go accordingly, no errors. So actually it has already mentioned that this is an HTML file to the web browser, so there won't be any errors. So make sure to have that tag also. And then the most important tag, HTML tag. Okay, so this is like the root element of the HTML document. This is where every coding begins. Inside this is every single other element, like the heads tag, and then the body tag, the h1 tag, the p tag, lots of. Yes, so let's go ahead. We can separate it to different lines, and it's more organized then. Okay, then we are going to type our other tag, the head tag. So this we like type the we have the title tag inside the head tag, and also some scripting tags, which is like for another video in the future, which is about JavaScripting. Yes, so we are going to talk about the title tag, of course. Today we will have the title tag inside the head tag, and also notice how the tag structure is. HTML, and here the closing tag, it has a slash and then HTML. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's inside the head. Now this is inside the head tag. We are gonna put the title tag. And also, just to mention, HTML is not a case-sensitive program. I mean a programming language. So it doesn't matter if I like type it in capital O and then put it, or if I just mix the jumble and do it, it doesn't matter, as long as which means that it's not a case sensitive tag. Okay, it's weird when it has that, like that. Yes. Okay, title. Yes. So what the title tag basically does is it assigns a name at the top of the tab of the web page. Like whatever content you put in here, that content would be added to the top of the tab of the web page, to the tab of the web page. Okay, let's just type whatever we want, like let's say the title. Okay, hello world. Let's put it as hello world. Hello world, and then let's just put an exclamation mark. And now the extension that we downloaded comes here, the extension live server. You can right click, and then you can see that there is something called open with live server. Click that, then it will open this document in a web browser. Let's see what. Okay, it probably might open in Microsoft Edge for me. Yes, okay, now you can see the tab of, oh yes, here, hello world. It's now in the tab of our web page, hello world. Now you can see. So you can just put any name you want, like let's say, of course, my website, I would like put in like learning with sadeve, something like that. Okay, anyways, now after the head tag, we have the body tag. And body is also like the main tag. The body tag is also like the main tag of the HTML document, because every other element, the structure of the web page, is inside the body tag. Let's just go ahead and type body, and here we go. So everything, paragraphs, headings, everything will be inside this tag. Yes. So now, as you guys know, now the body is actually the body of the website. This is the body of your website, your web page that you're creating. So if you add a paragraph to the body, then it will appear in here somewhere. Okay, let's just go ahead with our stuff. Let's just create an heading. Okay, then it's like easy for you guys to understand what I exactly mean. Okay, now you usually don't type heading like this, tag heading. No, that's not. Even if it appears like that, that's not the correct way. We have different types of headings actually, namely H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. From H1 to H6, they have 6 types of headings, like heading 1, heading 2, like that. So we name it as H1 and then enter, like that, H1. So that's how the heading tags are, or either you can put it from to H2 instead if you want, like that, or H3 until H6, no further. I will also give you the difference of these H1s and then different H tags, the heading tags. Let me just type and show you exactly what I mean. Okay, let me just create, okay, this is, okay, just give it heading 1. Okay, this might take some time, guys, then you guys can understand what exactly I am meaning. Okay. Wait, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just put this as 2. Okay, it's a lot of work. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Yes. Okay. Right, I guess I'm ready. Oh, no, I don't need to change this. Just this is just only like a preview anyways. Okay, open with live server. Oh, I already opened, right? Okay. Oh, we can just, okay, anyways. Okay. It should load. Okay, yes. Alright, right. Oh, here. See the difference of these different tags. See, this is the H1 tag, H2. According to the numbers, the sizes, the font size is different. So this is like the heading 1, and then the heading 1 has the highest font size, and then H6, the heading 6 has the lowest font size. So you cannot actually let me. Oh no, never mind. Anyways, so let's just get ahead with. Okay, now let's just keep this heading tag just here. Instead of a heading there, just type this is a heading. Oh, these are only examples actually for you guys to have clear understanding, and I also appreciate if you guys made it this far. I really appreciate you guys, and of course keep following me, then you can learn the basics of HTML. Okay, now the next tag is the P tag or the paragraph tag, and we put it as P. We don't type the whole paragraph blah blah. No, we don't type the whole word in here. We are just typing P, and this is the paragraph tag. So now we can type something like this is a paragraph. Okay. Paragraph. Okay. Alright, now I guess we can save it in here, like reload, I guess. Oh no, I guess we have to. Okay, let's open with the live server. Can we like save it to something? No, we probably should be able to, I guess. Okay, see, this is a heading. That's the heading we just typed earlier, and this is the paragraph. And also to know that in HTML, I forgot to mention this earlier, in HTML, you are basically just structuring the web page. You don't add any like designs, colors. You can't change the font sizes. So like this is just HTML, and then comes the CSS and JavaScript. In CSS, you can just basically add designs, like then you can add font colors, change sizes, and then change the font family. Yes, so that's all belongs to CSS, and then all the interactive stuff like button clicking and being forwarded to another page all goes to the JavaScript inside, which is also a bit complicated. Anyways, that's for the future, and just like giving you guys an explanation that you can't design anything. You can't design your website using HTML. Okay, now let's just also add another paragraph. Yes, this is another paragraph. Okay. Oh, okay. So now we get into another new nav tag, also known as the A tag. Yes, A tag. So basically what you do is that you can represent links in this. Okay, let's say you want to click a link, and let me just show you guys an example actually. Click me. I'm just gonna type click me, and then now all these attributes come in here. All the attributes. I will be explaining this href part. Just give me a sec. Let me put my where is it? Okay, in here, right? No. Okay, here. Let me take my website domain and add it in the href section, and let me guys show you. Now when we open it in a live server, see what happens. Okay, everything seems perfect. Okay. Oh, now you can see that the word click me that I put has changed into a link. Now when you click it, you will be forwarded into the domain that I entered in the href section. Okay, I will be explaining these href parts, everything in a bit of a moment. Okay, so now you also know what the a tag is for. You can just type href and then put the domain or the link to your website in here, and then this the content here will be turned into a link and will be forwarded to the website in here, website that you have put. And also next is the img tag. Type in here the img tag, yes, img tag, which is basically the image tag, and this, as I said, is a empty tag. The empty tag, yes, they don't have a closing tag. So now let's get into the attributes actually, or the attributes. Now there are different types of HTML attributes. href, and then actually I just pronounce it as href, then src, source, alt, alt, and then title, style. So these are different attributes that you can use like this. I will show you the structure, and for images you will be needing the src tag, attribute I mean. So they usually come like this. You type src equal and then double quotes like this. So this is how an attribute is. It is inside a tag. It's inside an opening tag. Now so this is the structure of an attribute. Okay, so now as I said, there are different types of attributes used, right? Okay, href. The href tag is used to represent links. Like you can put a link inside these two double quotation marks, and then whatever link you put, we usually use this href tag to the a tag. Href attribute to the a tag. I'm very sorry. Actually, the a tag usually represent links. As you can see here, if the a element has an attribute tag, then it represents a hyperlink. Yes. So href, they usually refer to URLs of websites, and source is actually the source where you can get this source. Let me show you. Now we want to add an image, right? Image to our website. So that's why we are adding the img tag. So I already have an image in here. Let me just drag and drop it in here. Okay, now we have got our HTML in our HTML folder, and now we can just type the name of this, the PNG, the image, in the source section. Now let me type html5.png. Yes. So now when we load it, so now this is what we type in the source section, html5, as I have it in this folder. So now we can access it as I have it in the folder. Let's open it with live server, and now it should load the image. Yes, so here it has loaded the image. So that's what the source attribute does. You can give the name of a source, a name of the image. So yes, That's what. Now usually the src, the source tag, is used for the image tag. It is the source attribute. Now we have the alt attribute, alt attribute. So this is like for alternate text, right? Like for example, let's say that for due to an internet error, it does not load the image. The image is not loaded. So instead of like whatever, if you put any content in the alt section, instead of loading the image, they will just show you whatever the content is written inside the alt section. Let's just type, this is an image of HTML. It is an image of HTML. This is an image of HTML. Now if we are to like save, if we are to open this live server, then actually nothing happens, right? Okay, nothing happens. Let me just like change the name of this PNG. Let's just purposely make a mistake to this, and now let's see what will happen. Okay, now let's see what will happen. There we go. This is an image of HTML. Now let's just imagine that due to an internet error, the image did not load properly. So this is an image of HTML. That's what the alt is for, the alt attribute. Now let's just create this here. Yes, this is an image of HTML. Okay, next we have the title or attribute. Let me just type the title attribute in here. Okay, we type the title attribute like this. The title attribute, same as all other attributes, but yeah, yes. Now the title attribute, it is used for titles. Let's say for images, for anything actually. You can use it for text even sometimes. Yes, you can use for text. Now let's say, now you have the image. You hover your mouse over the image, and then the title will be it will be displayed. Now let's just type HTML5 in here. Okay, HTML5, and now when we open in live server, what just happened? Okay, sorry guys, I guess the screen got a bit stuck. Okay, it's not responding. Okay, yeah, technical issues, sorry guys. Open this. Okay, now when you hover the mouse over, you can see the title that we inserted to it, HTML5. Okay, so you guys can actually put anything under the title. It doesn't always have to be HTML5. Of course, it's according to your web page. Anyways, so alright. Okay, so after the image tag, you can have, the image tag. Image tag. Now we are talking about, of course, attributes at the moment. We can use the style attribute. Now the style attribute is like used for couple of things for styling. As I said, this is like kind of belong to the CSS side. You can use the style attribute. Okay, so inside the style attribute, you can actually like put colors to your font, or just change your font size, or change the font family. Yes, change the font family, and also add background colors, etc. Yeah, there are a couple, just a bit more. Let's just change the color. So we are going to type color in here. After typing color, we are going to put this, we're going to put this mark, and then now we can put any color that we want. I personally like this aqua color. I always use it for some reason. The aqua color, whatever color you want. Now when you load it in the live server, open the live server, you can see our paragraph has changed its color. Yes, so that's, you can use style for not only color, you can also like use for the font sizes. Okay, let's just type font size equal, okay, but let's just put any amount, like a percentage, I guess. What if we put 10%? We can put percentages for yes, 10%. Okay, open with like server. How would like the difference be? I hope there is a difference, I guess. Oh yes, see, the difference is that it has changed its size. I guess I need a magnifying glass to see that. Okay, this is another paragraph. You can change sizes, you can like mess around with the percentages and find out a good proper font size if you want, whatever you guys want. And also not only font sizes we also have font family. Font families. Yes. Now you can put whatever font family you like. Arial, Times New Roman, Agency FB, Verdana. Yes, you can like change it to anything. I won't change it to Verdana. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Verdana. Whatever. Okay. Open with live server. Okay, I have multiple sections. Oh yes, so now you can see our font family has changed. It's in a different font and this is in another different font. Yes, so that's how you can like mess around with. You can also mess around with font families, like find your favorite one, whatever it is. Yes. So that's about the style section. Okay, let's just keep it like this here. Now I'm gonna talk about the BR tag, which is also an empty tag. Okay. Now, if you put the BR tag, which doesn't, of course, which doesn't have a closing tag, you can just put it BR tag in. I will just, for example, put it in here. Now let's just load it in a live server. Now you can see it has broke a line. You can see that it's separated as it is in here. See, I have put BR tag on the middle of another and paragraph, and it has now. Okay, I think I loaded something. Okay. Yes, now it is like separated. It has broken a line in between, and now we also have the HR tag. I'm gonna put it in here, the HR tag, which is also an empty tag. And now if we are to load, let's load it. Okay. Oh yes, now you can see that there is a line horizontally, so that is like for separation, which like will be like very easy for your like website to separate it for sections, you know. Yeah, so you can use the HR tag for this. And yes, so that's like most of the basics of HTML. And also there are like few other tags that we might feel need is important, like very important, like the B tag and then I tag. Let me just go ahead with B tag and I tag, because I personally feel like it's very important. And there are lots of other tags, not only these. There are lots and lots of other tags. And also we will be covering this in future videos. There of course more videos are to come in the future. Okay, so let me go ahead with the B tag. B tag is not B means bold. Actually you can make some text bold with this tag. Okay, let me just put, oh, you know what, this heading, no, not in this, not in here. Okay, let me put the B tag, the tag that makes text bold. In this is a paragraph. When you, then now after adding this, it will make the text, the content inside the B tag bold. 7. Give it some time to load, and so you can see this is paragraph. It is in bold now. It has been, yes. So now also you can use the italic, the I tag, which means italic, the italic tag. Yes, let me just put it I. The I tag is for the to make a text italic. Open with live server. Okay. Now you can see that the text is italic. Now, so actually now you guys already know like the most basics of HTML, and with these simple basics actually you can just go ahead and create your own website. Just a very simple website actually, guys. So yeah, you guys already know the website, and congratulations as you followed this video, and I hope you guys were excited, right? I mean, like, I hope you guys had a lot of fun, and yes, now you guys know how to build a website, and that's so cool. Well, I guess you guys one day will be able to create your own websites, right, using HTML. And actually I also had different like hardships, difficulty areas, and that's totally fine. And there were like times where I was like fed up, like, especially learning JavaScripting, which is also like very important for HTML, and of course those are for more future videos. It's really complicated. I mean, like, it's always getting into your head and it's jumbling things up, and yes, so at least you guys followed this video, and I'm really happy about it. Thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a like, you can comment, watch my videos, you can learn about education in my channel. Yes, and also don't forget to check out this website that I have created, like get around. Yes, so that you're ready in the now that then you are ready for the future lessons, right? Yes, so subscribe to my channel, like it, and then send whatever comments you have, anything, and also press the bell icon. Then whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yes, so this account has already done it, so it does not matter anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.